So if you are getting the Snapchat support code SS06 error, you're trying to log in but Snapchat keeps blocking you completely, you don't need to worry. In this video, I'm going to simply show you 3 possible solutions that are working right now and how you can actually fix this Snapchat support code SS06 fast. So guys, without waste much of your time, let's simply dive right into the video. So you should actually understand that this Snapchat support code SS06 usually happens when the Snapchat detects a suspicious login activity, VPN usage, or even temporal IP blocks. So in order for you to fix this, this is what you need to do. So for the first solution, first thing you need to do is to make sure you block any VPN you are using. So in order for you to turn off the VPN on your device, you need to go to your settings like this. Go ahead and click on connections, then go ahead and scroll and click on more connection settings. Looking here, you can see VPN. If you click on that like this, you're going to see the VPN that is connected to your device. So you can click on the gear icon right here and click on delete VPN profile. Once you do that like this and click on delete like this, you're going to be able to delete the VPN on your device. So you need to turn off any VPN that you are using. Close your Snapchat app completely. Once you are done turning the VPN off, close your Snapchat completely and switch to a network connection. You can actually use your data network connection or a Wi-Fi network connection. Any of these two can actually serve, but make sure you turn off your VPN on your device. So this actually works because Snapchat sometimes blocks certain IP addresses. So if this does not actually work out for you, you need to follow this second solution I'm about to show you on this video as well. So for the second solution, in order for you to fix this issue, so the Snapchat SS06 is often a temporal security block. So if you've logged in too many times into your Snapchat app, or you've used VPN, or you've switched your location quickly, or you've actually used any third-party app, then Snapchat is actually going to block you or stop your login temporarily. So in order for you to fix this, you just need to stop trying to log in. It's just as simple as that. Just try to stop logging in and wait for some time. You can wait for 24 to 48 hours, then try to log in again normally, just as you would have logged in. And you're going to see that this issue is actually going to be fixed. But you need to make sure that you just stop trying to log in, wait for at least 24 to 48 hours. Because if you don't do that, it is actually going to reset the timer and actually makes it more worse. So you need to do this and you're going to see that you'll be able to log in faster than you would have logged in. It's that simple. That is the second solution. Now, if any of this did not actually work out for you, this is what you can actually do next. So for the third solution, what you simply need to do right here on your device is to go to your phone settings like this. So in your phone settings, you just need to scroll like this and then go ahead and click on apps. Look for where you can see apps like this. Click on apps like this and then go ahead and click on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Or you can go ahead and scroll and look for where you can see Snapchat. But I'm going to simply click on the search button and search for Snapchat like this and go to Snapchat. So looking right here, you're going to see where it says storage. Clicking on storage like this, you need to go ahead and click on clear cache and also click on clear data. Once that is done, go back to your Snapchat and try logging in, and you're going to see that the issue is actually going to be fixed. So any of this solution can actually help you to fix this problem. So you can simply tell me on the comment section the solution that actually helped you to fix this problem. We've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next video.